Today, we're going to talk about a popular topic in the health and wellness world: apple cider vinegar and its potential role in weight loss. But first, let's address the big question: can apple cider vinegar really help with weight loss?
Well, let's dive into the science and find out.
Apple cider vinegar has gained popularity as a potential aid for weight loss, and here's why. Firstly, it contains acetic acid, which has been linked to appetite suppression and increased feelings of fullness. This means that consuming apple cider vinegar might help you eat fewer calories throughout the day, which can contribute to weight loss over time. Additionally, apple cider vinegar may help regulate blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar levels are stable, you're less likely to experience cravings and overeat. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity, which is particularly important for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, apple cider vinegar could potentially help boost your metabolism. One study found that consuming vinegar with a high-carb meal led to increased fat burning, which could contribute to weight loss. However, it's worth noting that the effect may be modest and more research is needed to fully understand the extent of its impact. Now that we've discussed the potential benefits, let's talk about incorporating apple cider vinegar into your weight loss routine. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Dilute it. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, so it's essential to dilute it before consumption. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with a glass of water or other beverages like herbal tea or smoothies. Start slow. If you're new to apple cider vinegar, start with a small amount and gradually increase it over time. This will allow your body to adjust to the taste and acidity. Consider timing. Some people find it helpful to consume apple cider vinegar before meals, as it may help with appetite control. Experiment with different timings to see what works best for you. Be consistent. Like with any dietary change, consistency is key. Incorporate apple cider vinegar into your routine regularly for potential long-term benefits. It's important to remember that while apple cider vinegar may have some potential benefits for weight loss, it's not a magical solution. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and overall lifestyle choices play a significant role in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. As always, we recommend consulting with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.
We hope you found this video informative and useful.
If you have any questions or personal experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. And if you want more apple cider vinegar information, read the description down below.
Or watch the next video on the right.